What is CampusCoin? CampusCoin is a peer-to-peer blockchain and cryptocurrency designed for college and university students as well as institutions worldwide. With the exponential adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects, many students and parents don't even know where to start. We've all heard about Bitcoin, but almost a decade later, there are now over 1,400 cryptocurrencies. That's a whole lot of coin. With CampusCoin, our organization has taken on the exciting and important challenge of educating the next generation of students on how to use and engage with these exciting new assets and stores of value. We're designing a platform exclusively tailored towards the campus lifestyle, allowing students and merchants to use CampusCoin as a payment, discounts, and rewards platform. Accredited colleges and universities can even adopt CampusCoin as an incentive and value-sharing platform for sponsored collegiate sports, student clubs, and campus events. Utilizing our public ledger to track payments and save potentially thousands of dollars on fees traditionally paid to banks or payment processors. Parents can even use CampusCoin to reward their children's academic success at home or across the globe, without the need for expensive money transfers or shipping time. With mobile and desktop apps for the CampusCoin wallet, we're on track to become one of the most accessible, simple, and secure blockchains out there. So you can understand how to use cryptocurrency before you get your degree. The CampusCoin Project has already sponsored thousands of dollars worth of scholarships and college events around North America. And with our ambassador program, students can engage even more and get rewarded for being a part of our community. So, whether you're a crypto connoisseur or a blockchain beginner, CampusCoin is building the next big ecosystem to make cryptocurrencies an essential part of the college experience. We hope you'll join us from your dorm room, library, fraternity, or sorority on this exciting journey to make the college life more exciting to live. Check us out at CampusCoinProject.org to read our white paper. And don't forget to tell your roommates,